Hello everyone, today we are going to solve odd even linked list problem. So in this problem, we are given a head of singly linked list in which we have to group all the node with odd indices together and followed by the node with even indices, and then we have to return the reorder list. So let's see an example. So here in this example, first of all we have to make odd indices links together, that is 1, 3 and 5, and then I have to make all the even indices links together, that is 2 and 4, and then we have to follow this in this way, and then we have to return this reorder list. So let's see how we are gonna solve this problem. So we will do this in two steps. In first step we will make odd and even indices nodes together, that is first 3, 5, this, and 2, 4, 6, this list. And after making this two individual list, we will just point this. So let's see how we are gonna solve this. So first of all, for this list we need one head which is pointing to this list, and for this list we need another head. Okay, let's say for this list I am taking even head, which is right now pointing to which this will be my even head, so which will be right now pointing to 2. And how I make this? By making head nest. Okay, and this is my head nest, so I am making an head which is already given, which will point to 1. Now I need two variable, that is odd, which will be helping me for traversing in this odd list. So it will be initializing from this, and an even which will be initializing from these two. So now let's see how we are gonna make this possible. So first of all, what we will do, we will make right now my odd is pointing to this and my even is pointing to this. So what I will do, I will break this link and make this link. So for making this link, what I have to do, my odd nest should point to even nest. So my odd nest should point to even nest. Now after this, what I have to do is, I have to make my odd from here to this. So what I will do, I will remove this odd and make it here. So odd should equals to odd nest. Once I do this, now my odd is pointing to 3. So now what I have to do, I have to break this link and I have to make this link. So how do I make this link? What I will do, I will make even nest will point to, even nest will point to, what is it? This is odd nest. Even nest will point to odd nest. And what I have to do is, I have to point my even from here to here. So how do I point this? I will make my even points to even nest. So even will point to even nest. Now let's run again. Now even is pointing to even nest, which is 4. Now let's do it again. So odd nest will point to even nest. So even is there. So odd nest, that means this link will be broken, and it will point to even nest, that means it will point to this. Now my odd will point to odd nest, that means odd will go on from here, odd will come here. So now my odd is at 5. So my even nest will point to even nest, that means this will point to odd nest, and now my even will comes to even nest, so even will be here. So after doing this, what we will do, now our linked list is completed. Now we reach the end. So what we will do after this, how our linked list is look like, let's see. So our linked list will look like 1 is pointing to 3, 3 is pointing to 5, and 1 is, and this 2 is pointing to, this 2 is pointing to 4, and 4 is pointing to 6. And right now my even head, this is my even head, which is pointing to 2, and my even is pointing to here. My head is pointing to here, and my odd, what is my odd, which is pointing to here. And if you see, this odd is also pointing to this. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to remove this link and I have to point my odd nest to this. So after this loop, what I will do, I will make odd nest will point to even head, and then what I will do, this link is done, so I will return my head. So let's see the code. So if our head is empty or we have only single node, if we have a empty or a single node, then we will return our head. Otherwise, what we will do, first we will take our odd will points to head and even will points to head nest, and we will have one even head which is points to even. Now we will follow this procedure until and unless our even pointer will points to last node of the linked list or it cover all the linked list. After that, what we have to do, we have to make our odd nest to even head, and finally we will return our head. So the time complexity of this solution will be of n, and the space complexity of this solution will be of 1, and this is the constraint that we have to solve it in the O1 space complexity. So this is the whole solution. If you understand the whole solution, then you can let me know in the comment section. If you have any doubt, so you can also ask your doubt in the comment section. If you understand the whole video, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.